Children laugh and play and learn what's right. I remember those who fought to forge our freedom, and those who'd rather die than lose the fight. But today it seems we take it all for granted, and it's easier to blame and criticize. But I for one will stand and pray for healing in our land today. I still believe that freedom's worth the price. I still believe we're the last hope of liberty. I still believe in the promise of the land I love, and I am not ashamed to say I pledge allegiance still today. I still believe in America. When I think about the future of this nation, I wonder if the torch will still burn bright, and if each new generation will remember and defend her honor then with all their might. For I believe that the faith of our fathers is the cornerstone that made our nation great, and we will stand for centuries if we